Hello everyone, I am Vaishali Miss. Today we are going to start with subject English. I am going to teach you first poem of English live. So come along, let's understand it. Unit 1, number 1, life. In last period you completed this warming up exercise. So let us start poem life. Life, written by Charlotte Bronte. Let me tell you some information about poetess. So, students, Charlotte Bronte was born in 1816 in England. Her first novel was The Professor. She was always using a pen name or pseudonym for writing novels. So, let's see the explanation of poem Life, written by Charlotte Bronte. This is a motivating and optimistic poem. The poetess conveys her personal view about life. She describes that the life is full of sorrowful times and also happy times. This poem encourages to readers or to us to take a positive view of life, especially during the periods of hardship and difficulties. This poem is divided into three stanzas. Whole poem is about 24 lines. So first stanza is consist of 8 lines. Second is consist of 4 lines. And third stanza is consist of 12 lines. So let's see the poem. Life believe is not a dream so dark as sages say. Life believe is not a dream so dark as sages say. After little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Oft means often. So listen student, generally sages or that wise man says that life is full of difficulties, full of problems, life is a dark. But life is not so dark as sages say. See what poetess says in these two lines. After little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Now see, if rain is there in the morning, we feel nervous. We say that the entire day is going to get wasted. But the rain is a sign of pleasant. After rain, the whole day will be the pleasant. So don't get nervous because of that rain. Here morning rain and pleasant day describes metaphor. If we have difficulties at some stage, there will be a joyous time following it. Difficulties are implicitly compared to a rain and joyous time to a pleasant day. After difficulties, we will get better time. See next lines. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? Clouds of gloom means what? Some difficulties or some problems that we have. But some problems and difficulties is not a permanent, but that is a temporary. Transient means what? Temporary. So if there are problems or difficulties, but don't take it negatively, only think positively. This line also describes metaphor that problems are compared to clouds. Okay, listen students, life is full of up and down. There are sadness also and happiness also in our life. Clouds of gloom means some problems, some sorrows. Sometimes there is confusion, but we have to keep in mind that these sorrows and problems are temporary. They are short-lived problems. They are not a permanent. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? So the problems we face will make for better times ahead. Here these lines also describe metaphor. Problems are compared to the shower of rain and better times are compared to roses blooming. Blooming of roses means opportunities are there. We know that if one door is closed, then another opens. So don't lament or cry for it. Every time we should be ready to face the problem. We should be ready to face the problem. Every time new opportunity is there. And if there is problems in our life, it makes us tough and bold and brings out our qualities. Okay, see next lines. Rapidly, merrily, life sunny hours fleet by. Rapidly, merrily, life sunny hours fleet by. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. Sunny hours means that good times of life or a happy times. Here, happy times of our lives are compared to a sunny hours. So, whatever happy times or good times are there in our life, that is not going to stop for us. So, we should be spend it cheerfully. We should thank the God for giving a day, for giving a life. The times are going to fly. So, we must enjoy it that good times. What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win over hope of heavy sway? These are very touching lines from the poem. Sometimes in life we have to pay extreme sadness when our close one, our friend, our best passes away. That time we feel that there is no hope because someone who was close to me, he has gone away. And so I am so sad. But don't get upset. We must accept it and hope for better times. When time passes, hope again spring up. It rise up because of positive thinking. It may fall down, but rise up thousand times. Hope and positive thinkings are unconquered. Sway means controlling influence. Sometimes we seems that the hope of life controlled by the sorrow. There is nothing in my life. But don't be negative. Always be positive and hope for better times. It hope again elastic springs, unconquered though she fell. It hope again elastic springs, unconquered though she fell. Still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Okay, listen, for hope will again spring up with great elasticity. It is undefeated, even though it had been overcome. I already told you that whenever time passes, hope again spring up, it rises up because of positive thinking. It may fall down, but it rises up. And this positive thinking or hope that are the unconquered. See this line, still buoyant are her golden wings. The wings of hope is a golden and it take upward hope. That buoyant means take which can rise upward. So there must be hope. Don't cry for whatever bad times in your life. There must be positive thinking. Let's see next lines. Manfully fearlessly the day of trial bear. Manfully fearlessly the day of trial bear. For gloriously victoriously can courage quell despair. Quell means end or surprise. See, whenever there is a day of trial or day of testing, we have to face it, or we have to face it without a fear and without a fear and manfully. Fearlessly means without fear, and manfully means like a man. We have to face that difficulties or that day of trial with a manfully or fearlessly. And if you not face that difficulties, you can't solve that. And if you face it without fear, you will solve that difficulties also. And if you have courage, you will win and you will get glory. So this is a very motivating poem, very nice poem. It encourages us to take a positive view of life during hardship and difficulties.